Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to use N/runtime module. For example, many times the client in a project, the client requires that as soon as the person or sales rep has logged in, immediately whatever the region or the subsidiary he is working on, it should be populated in some specific input field. So for that, we need to use this runtime module, and then we have to, what we will do as soon as the person who is logged in, we will get the ID of that person, then we will load his record, and then we will extract with the get value, whatever we want from his record. For example, let me show you. Look at this record instance. Just a second. Record instance, type employee, and whatever the user ID that we receive, right? Then subsidiary name. Right now here I have extracted the subsidiary name. Subsidiary name record.instance dot get text field ID, that is subsidiary. Now let me show you with an example. Here is, I have opened, let's open my NetSuite. Now look at this. Here I have opened one sales order. I'm going to open in one sales order and look at the memo field. Look at the memo field. Let it open. Now look at this. Here, user subsidiaries PS Soft India. Right now in my record, suppose if I show you my record, here it is. Cancel, and here I will open it in a new record. Look at this, PS Soft. So what it has done, it has first taken out my ID, and on based of that ID, with the help of scripting, we have, let me show you this exact subsidiary. Yes, here it is. User ID, that is the user object ID, then record instance, load record, employee, and then the user ID. We have taken out the user ID first, and then with the help of subsidiary name, get text, we have taken out the get text. Okay, it is hanged. So, and with the help of this get text, we have populated this particular field. Now, suppose, for example, if the client wants that, suppose a sales rep has opened his credential, then his region or his sales territory, whatever the client wants to extract, we can extract it in the same way. Here, with the help of this, the ID of the subsidiary is subsidiary because it's a standard field. So we have taken out the subsidiary in this way. Now let me show you with that another example. I have one more credential. Now here, if you see subsidiaries Americas, right? Subsidiaries Americas. So what we will do, let me log out here, and I have to log in with that particular person name, that is Rajshekhar. I will log in with that. Just a second. Just give me a second. Yes, I got it. Actually, I forgot the password. I just see. Now look at this. I will open one record here, sales order. Now Rajshekhar has logged in, and now look at the memo. It will be Americas, right? As soon as it will load fully. See here, user subsidiaries Americas. So in this way, you can pull out whatever details you want. With the help of record instance, you load the employee record, first get the user ID with the help of current record dot get user ID, and then with the help of this, you can get the record load. And after that, you can get text of any like subsidiary or the territory name or the sales territory, sales rep territory, anything, whatever you want, you can extract. So this is another most important, the person who is logged in, you can get with the help of n/runtime. So practice this, and if you have any query or doubt, you can put it into the comment box. I will resolve your query, and do subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.